Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be talking about numbers 61 through 65 of my list of the 100 top traders. Today we'll be talking about QVT Financial, Sandell Asset Management, Eton Capital, Pequot Capital Management, and Bridgewater Associates. This strategy has done so well for me, it's put me in the top 6% in this year's CNBC tournament with returns of over 34%. Also, in previous tournaments, you can see how it's done for me. Now, what I merely do is follow the richest, most successful investors out there, and I find their picks on such free websites as Stock Picker, The Motley Fool Caps, and Covestor. Then I get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. Now, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of today, December 26, 2008. Now, first we look at Bridgewater Associates, coming in with some strong buys of Johnson & Johnson and Walmart. Moderate buys are also Oracle, Pepsi, Walmart, ECA, Mo, and Coca-Cola. All those will be considered moderate buys at this time. Next, we move on to Pequot Capital Management, with NE as a strong buy and OSIP as a moderate buy. Next, on to Eton Capital. You'll see that the gold ETF is currently rated a strong buy at this time. Next, we have Kraft, COV, HSP, and UEPS. All of those would be considered moderate buys at this time. Next, we move on to Sandell Asset Management with HNZ as a moderate buy. Next, and finally, QVT Financial with COP, ETR, AHL, DVA, and TAC. All of those would be considered moderate buys at this time. Now, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of today, December 26, 2008. Now, in review, the strong buys are NE, Johnson & Johnson, Gold, and Walmart. Also, we have the moderate buys for you as well. So in review, we went through these asset managers and got average analyst ranking through these free websites. So if you'd like to do so sometime in the future, you just put them into the various websites. So, on to disclosure disclaimer time. Disclaimer: I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my family and friends' accounts. Also, I currently own shares of Bank of America, Citigroup, General Electric, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Target, Wells Fargo, and Walmart. So, in closing, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time, folks. I'm a whale watcher.